Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 DJI drones that are dominating the skies this year. From jaw-dropping camera quality to cutting-edge features, these drones are perfect for beginners, pros, and everyone in between. So grab your controller, hit that subscribe button, and let's soar into the ultimate DJI drone lineup for 2025. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact, ultralight drone weighing under 249 grams, making it a top choice for beginners and travelers seeking portability without sacrificing performance. Its 1.13-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning 4K/60 FPS HDR video and 48 megapixel stills, delivering crisp, vibrant imagery ideal for social media content creators and hobbyist photographers. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 6 sensors ensures safe flights in complex environments like forests or urban areas, while Active Track 360 degrees allows seamless subject tracking for dynamic shots such as following a cyclist or capturing a hiker from any angle. True vertical shooting optimizes footage for platforms like TikTok using the full sensor without cropping, with a flight time of up to 34 minutes or 45 minutes with the Plus battery. It supports extended shoots, perfect for travel vlogs or aerial landscapes. The 04 transmission system provides a 20-kilometer range for reliable control in remote areas, and intelligent modes like Master Shots and Quick Shots, Droney, Helix, simplify professional-grade filming. Its small size, 145 by 90 by 62 millimeters folded, slips into a camera bag, ideal for backpackers. However, it lacks air sense, so pilots near airports should be cautious. The Mini 4 Pro's ease of use and regulation-friendly weight make it a versatile tool for creators. Price, starting at $759. Number 2. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a mid-range powerhouse tailored for travel photographers and videographers needing versatility and durability. Equipped with a dual camera system, a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle, and a 1/3-inch medium telephoto, it shoots 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, and 50 megapixel stills, offering flexibility for expansive landscapes or detailed close-ups. The 10-bit D-Log-M color profile ensures rich post-processing for professional edits, while night mode excels in low light, capturing clean footage at dusk or dawn. Its 45-minute flight time supports long shoots like road trips or coastal flyovers, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing with forward-facing LiDAR enhances safety in windy or cluttered environments, up to 12 meters per second wind resistance. The upgraded Active Track 360-degree tracks vehicles at 15 meters per second, perfect for dynamic car chase shots. With 42 gigabytes of onboard storage, it stores hours of 4K footage, and the 04 transmission system ensures a stable 20-kilometer range. The Air 3S folds to 214.19 by 100.63 by 89.17 millimeters, fitting into a backpack, though its 724-gram weight requires FAA registration. It's a robust choice for enthusiasts balancing quality and portability. Price, starting at $1,099. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is DJI's flagship drone, designed for professional filmmakers and aerial photographers demanding unmatched image quality. Its triple camera system, featuring a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera, a 1x1.3-inch 70mm medium telephoto, and a 1x2-inch 166mm telephoto, delivers 5.1K 50 frames per second video and 48 megapixel stills with 12.8 stops of dynamic range. This setup excels in diverse scenarios, from wide-angle cinematic landscapes to tight wildlife shots, with Hasselblad's natural color solution, ensuring vivid, accurate colors. The 43-minute flight time supports extended shoots like documenting a sunrise over mountains, while omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and Active Track 5.0 enable precise tracking of moving subjects, such as boats or runners. Intelligent modes like Focus Track and Waypoint Flight streamline complex shots for solo operators. The O3 Plus transmission system offers a 15-kilometer range, though real-world tests suggest 3.2 kilometers in urban settings. At 958 grams, it requires FAA registration and folds to 3.8 by 3.9 by 9.1 inches, fitting into a carry-on. Its robust build handles professional demands, but the weight may deter casual users. Price starting at $2,199.